Julia. I've been working on some of my fabric cuffs. I'm going to be adding these to my Etsy store. And this is a work in progress. I did make a video on how I complete these or how I make these, and I'll link that down below. These are midway, they're halfway made. These happen to be mostly silks and silky type fabrics, some rayons, etc. So they're just real soft and fun. But one of the things I like to add to my little cuffs are fabric beads. And I usually have a bunch made up and have them just to add to my projects, and I'm out of them. So I thought I'm going to make them and I'm going to film how I do it. I know there's a lot of videos out there on how to make fabric beads. There's so many different ways of making them, but I wanted to share how I do it and some of my reasoning behind it. So I thought you might enjoy this. Let's get started to making some fabric beads. The base of my beads are these large plastic straws. They have a large hole in them, which is great so I can easily slide them onto my fabric tubes. Here's some finished cuffs. You can see I just slide them right on. Also, if any cord, like if you have a cord on a bag or a purse, you can just slide these little beads on for some interest. I have just some scraps laying here, and I'm using my fabric tack glue for this project. You're going to want to slide your straw onto something like a pencil or a wooden dowel. I have my fabric turners here just something so you can hang onto it easier, and the straw will turn on it. Now here's the messy part. You just want to spread that glue out. I'm just using my finger. I do have like a wet towel handy, so I do have to wash my fingers quite often when I do this. It gets really sticky. And then it's just as simple as just turning these little scraps around, twisting, adding little pieces of this is a piece of lace. I believe this is a piece of silk ribbon that I had. Great way to use up little pieces. I'm just twisting and adding layers. Just twisting some cord and getting glue on where I need it. And you can see a little bit of a close-up there. Still continuing to add little pieces until this entire straw is covered. This is string. I'm just going to tie that on. The fabric tack glue dries really quickly, so it is wonderful glue, even though it's about the messiest thing you work with. And now cutting my beads. I can get 5 off of one straw, about 1.5 inches. And then going to add glue where I need it. Once in a while there'll be a piece that pops off and you just need to tack it down again. And then snip off any straw that's showing. Then it's on to decorating. I love using this aluminum wire and then seed beads. The aluminum wire is a 20 gauge and it's very flexible. You can just really easily crimp it with your fingers and maneuver it quite well. And I just have some basic jewelry tools there, a little snipper, and then a little pliers too that I use. I'm just taking that little pliers and I'm doing a spiral at the end, which will just keep everything together. You can see it there, just a little flat spiral. And then I'm going to take my bead and I'm going to start to wrap this wire. The wire is going to help keep everything together, plus add that pop of color. Just adding some seed beads. Adding a funky flat bead there. And then I will crimp this end too by just doing a spiral. A few more seed beads. And then tighten everything up. And there you have it. They're really fun and funky and a great way to decorate just so many different projects. A wonderful subscriber sent me this bag of yarn, and I love just tying a little piece of yarn around it so you don't have to do the wire. This is really a fun look too. And then doing one more with the wire here, just doing that initial little spiral. I did manage to spill this entire container of green beads all over my little surface. I didn't film that part, but and here, this is really a fun bead. I just like that little piece of lace that ended up on it. And then just kind of pulling it tight and then finishing it off with one more little spiral at the end. And there it is. I do show some pictures at the end here so you can see some close-ups. They're really fun, whimsical, bright. And here's a couple of my little cuffs that I finished. And then I also added some of the beads to fabric collages. These are just art journals that I got done this week. Thank you everybody who's subscribed to me and who supports me. I just appreciate you all. I hope you have a chance to create this week. Bye for now.